A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. Only did ever wonder what really did kick off Judas, make him decide to sell out Jesus? I want to think about it. And while we are thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, we are wait button. Do it now. And the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 14 from verse 1 to verse 11. I did 2 days before the Passover holiday and the festival where people name bread without yeast. The head priest and the law teacher them did I try find one way to trick Jesus so they could arrest him and kill him. Them say, can't do it when the festival are gone, cause that will rile up the people them. Jesus did there at Simon yard, at Bethany. Simon did have one sickness we making skin fussy. Jesus did sit down at the table when one woman come there. She did have one little stone jar full of one dear perfume. We make out of one spice named nard. She broke the jar and threw the perfume upon Jesus' head. Some of the guests them get vexed and start to say to them one another, say, we make sure waste that dear perfume there. It could have did sell for more than 300 silver coin and take the money, give poor people. So they start raise her up. But Jesus said to them, say, uno left her. One a trouble her for. I something good she do to me. Cause uno we always have poor people amongst uno. And uno can help them anytime uno want to help them. But uno now go have me amongst uno forever. She do what she coulda do. She night me body before time to get me ready for them bury me. Me I tell you this. I mean not lie. Anytime people preach the good news around the world, them are going to remember and talk about what she do. Judas Iscariot, one of the 12 followers them, go to the head priest to sell out Jesus and turn him over to them. When them hear this, them glad bag us. So them promise to pay him off. From that time there, Judas start look for one chance to turn Jesus over to them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.